Hey y'all, we back with the quick one too, y'all. Y'all see what it is. Welcome back all my what? Oldies and my newbies, y'all. I'm hungry, as usual. Anyway, check this out. We got apples. I was sad because I got just one cucumber. Little chips because y'all know I need a crunch. And we got, what? A little grinder salad going on today. Let's pick this one up from the back. I don't even know if I'm gonna eat both of these, but ooh, y'all see it? And the faithful, y'all know what it is. Y'all see that? Ooh, that's a blooper. Okay. Take a bite. Got some salad, y'all. Y'all, that grinder salad is banging. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm. That's good. Mm-hmm. I'm tired in the day. Mm. 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 Y'all, I worked hard last night. Mm. I ain't lying, y'all. I worked last night. I worked so hard, I think about calling off today. I'm tired. And I'm the only person that they have been working like that. They don't make nobody else work in the calm room at night by themselves except for me. On our days. They refuse to rotate it. I don't even say now. No more. I do the best I can and keep it pushing. I ain't but one person. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 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 I'm forgetting y'all there. Mm. I'm just eating. I ain't lying. I ain't lying. Last night, yeah, like we was the only hospital open in the city. I kid you not. Last night, I earned my dollars. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 The trauma started coming in before I can get logged on the computer good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. My very first trauma was me helping my coworker that was getting off. I ain't lying. That's how they was coming in. That's how they was coming in, y'all. And they didn't stop the whole night. I ain't lying. I got a little salad over here too, y'all. Y'all see me. Mm-hmm. The oregano. Mm. That's good. Mm. Real good. Mm-hmm. Bye-bye. Who? Who? I didn't come to play. I did not come to play. Mm-hmm. Mm. Making a mess. Mm. Oh, yeah. These are my HEB sausage from my local store here. They good. I haven't been able to get back with my guy for those other sausages because I owe Miss Angela some. I ain't forgot about her. But honey, he done did a poo-poo. I'll tell you about it another time. Because if I say too much, people gonna know what I'm talking about. But everything goes time. We'll work this stuff out. Amen. Because guess what? We are humans and we all make mistakes, okay? That part. That part. Production. It's good to me, y'all. Honestly. I didn't think I was gonna eat both of these, but okay. And I did cut some apple up in there, but still, y'all know me. Y'all already know. Production. Y'all already know production. Right? And I had bought these little snack thing for Mr. But Mr. He don't, child, I told y'all, if it ain't a soup or a stew. So again, your sister had to wind up eating them. Eventually. I tell you, I even took some to work to get rid of them. And stuff I had bought. Because that man is in a league of his own. And I mean that. In the most sincere way. Y'all. Remember, this sausage here is just HEB sausage, y'all. And it's good. I don't know if it's good just because of the salad on top of it. It may be my salad. Because I ain't paid about $3 for that sausage. Like, seriously. I'm making a mess, y'all. Now it's good to me. Y'all see that? Baby. That grinder salad, y'all. Baby. Y'all better. Not game. Not game. Yep. Not a game, y'all. Oh, that's good. Anyway, I'm gonna hold y'all up. Cause as y'all see, the girl's still getting it in. Okay? And I ain't gonna hold y'all up for this last little part. Cause I don't want them now. I want them. They want to come on here and tell y'all, hey, I think that's all. That part. Y'all be careful across the highways. Love yourself. Love on somebody. And I'll see you next time. Bye.